Installing a door, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a practical and essential topic: how to install a door. This skill is not just useful in everyday life, but understanding this process will also help you enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension. Let's dive in. First, let's break down what it means to install a door. This phrase involves two key components: install and door. To install means to put something in position for use. A door is a movable barrier used to open and close an entrance. So, when we say install a door, we're talking about the process of setting up a door in a doorway so it can be used. Before we start the installation process, it's important to know what materials and tools you'll need. You'll require a new door, hinges, screws, screwdriver or drill, level, measuring tape. Understanding these terms is crucial for following instructions and ensuring a successful installation. Now, let's prepare the doorway. This involves measuring the space where the door will go and making sure it's level and square. These terms are important for ensuring that the door fits correctly and opens and closes smoothly. The next step is to attach hinges. Hinges are the metal pieces that allow the door to swing open and closed. We'll align them with the door and frame, mark the spots with a pencil, and then screw them in place. This step is crucial for the door's functionality. Once the hinges are attached, it's time to hang the door. This means lifting the door and positioning it in the doorway so that the hinges on the door align with the hinges on the frame. Then, we secure it with screws. The term hanging is commonly used in English to describe this process. After the door is hung, we make final adjustments. This might involve tightening screws, adjusting the position of the door, or adding any finishing touches like a doorknob. These adjustments ensure that the door works properly and looks good. And that's how you install a door. This process involves several steps and key terms that are useful in both practical life and in learning the English language. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your vocabulary and understanding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.